I want to introduce you to the incredible benefits of the Refine and Polish Miracle Mask, a beautiful enzymatic balm and one of my absolute favourite products because of how soft and smooth it makes my skin feel. The Refine and Polish Miracle Mask is an exfoliating mask that uses natural plant enzymes from maple and sugarcane to gently yet effectively exfoliate the skin without leaving it dry, tight or irritated or affecting the skin barrier. For best results, use a mask for 5 to 10 minutes on dry, clean skin. This way the enzymes can get to work to exfoliate and smooth the skin. It's an oil-based balm which emulsifies on contact with water. This means it rinses off completely clean. If you want a bit more of a manual exfoliation, massage your face after you've added water for a deeper exfoliation to allow the rice bran exfoliating beads to gently dislodge dead skin cells and help to brighten the skin. This miracle balm will leave your skin supple and soft rather than dry or tight. The mask action means it's great for sensitive skin, including acne-prone, because you don't need to scrub too hard. Let's hear what some of our other customers have said about this beautiful mask. For all skin types, apply the mask up to 3 times a week on clean, dry skin. The fresh and uplifting blend of chamomile, eucalyptus, bergamot and rosemary really feels like you're in a spa. Massage or press the product into your skin and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes before you add water and it turns milky to allow you to rinse it completely cleanly away. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel and then finish with a spritz of our brightening or calming botanical essence before you apply your Revitalize and Glow Serum or Cell Revitalize Moisturizer.